Make a great choice today with the 2026 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, tailgate step, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.